Sharma's blog's post-privacy concepts explores the growing issue of privacy violation in the digital age, exemplified by Karen Hepp's lawsuits against Facebook and Reddit for misusing her image in advertisements. Hepp's case raises crucial questions about how society can navigate the complex landscape of privacy concern in an increasingly technologically advanced world. The article emphasizes the importance of legal framework like the GDPR, which aim to safeguard individual privacy rights. It introduces the concept of privacy by design, PBD, advocating for integrating privacy consideration into system design from the outset. The post also underscores the growing field of privacy engineering, which focuses on developing tools and techniques to effectively protect personal data and mitigate privacy risks.
An example of how privacy by design (PBD) and privacy engineering work together can be seen in healthcare mobile app, HealthGuard. By incorporating PDB principles, HealthGuard ensures that all sensitive patient information, such as medical records and personal data, is protected by default through encryption and secure access controls. Privacy engineers at HealthGuard develop robust privacy features such as secure messaging between patients and doctors and anonymization of health data research purposes. By embedding these privacy measures into the app's core design, HealthGuard protects patient confidentiality and complies with privacy regulation like HIPAA and GDPR. In practices, this means that when a user like Jan signs up for HealthGuard, his personal health information is encrypted and stored securely. The app provides transparency privacy policies and gives Jan's control over who can access his data. If HealthGuard uses Jan's data for research, privacy engineers ensure it is anonymized so his identity remains confidential. By integrating PBD and privacy engineering, HealthGuard builds user trust and ensures the privacy and security of sensitive health information.
So the question is, do you agree with the article? Why or why not? I agree with the article because it accurately identifies the growing concern of privacy violation in the digital age. It highlights the importance of protecting personal information, especially in light of incident like misuse of Karen Hepp image. The article also emphasizes the needs for comprehensive approach to privacy, combining strong legal frameworks with technological solution. With privacy by the design, this approach aims to ensure the privacy is built into system from the ground up, minimizing the risk of future breaches.
So I'll explain how privacy by design and privacy engineering operate together. Privacy by design, or PBD, is a functional approach to ensuring privacy is deeply embedded into the design and development of systems, services, and products from the beginning. Rather than treating privacy as an add-on, PBD advocates for privacy safeguards to be integral to the system functionality, emphasizing principles like setting privacy protection as a default, maintaining strong security, and minimizing data collection. Privacy engineering supports PBD by providing the concrete tools, techniques, and methods necessary to implement these privacy principles in real-world applications. Through methods such as data anonymization, pseudonymization, secure data storage, user consent management, and risk assessment, privacy engineering makes it feasible to translate the high-level goals of PBD into actionable steps and system features. Together, PBD and privacy engineering create a comprehensive approach to designing technology that protects user privacy, reduces risks, and promotes responsible data practices at every stage of development and deployment.
We will talk about some articles similar to this, and we will compare the difference and similarities of it. Let's talk about Karen Hepp. Karen Hepp is a newscaster where privacy has been violated. The company that violated their privacy is Facebook. Next is Jennifer Love Hewitt. Jennifer Love Hewitt is an actress. Her privacy has also been violated. The company that violated their privacy is Slim Spray. So the difference between them is Karen Hepp is a newscaster and Jennifer Love Hewitt is an actress. So the similarities is their privacy has been violated, and there is a company that got involved in this violation of privacy.